Do you want to find yourself in the middle of the sea with no people around, you and your little boat right here? If you want to find out how to do that, stick around. I'm going to show you how. In this episode, I'm gonna show you how to rent a boat in Greece, and I'll do a review of the apartment that we rented in Zakynthos. I'll show you the price for everything so you have an idea. This is episode 3. Let's go!
You know it's kinda hard just to get.
Alright, welcome back to Max the Sensei channel, everybody. In the last episode, we left beautiful Athens and had a beautiful road trip all the way to this amazing, awesome island.
Well, he makes up in denial, so don't debate, play us straight. You know he really doesn't get it anyway. Gotta find out.
The Island of Zakynthos is one of the most beautiful and craziest places that we have ever visited. This awesome island has it all. Beautiful beaches, amazing water, and awesome places to chill and enjoy.
The world needs one of these. Hey, hey, do that brand new thing.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Day number 3 in beautiful Greece. We have made it on the island yesterday. Today, in this video, we're going to take a little boat and go around the islands and explore this beautiful, majestic place. Stick around. Let's begin. Let's get some coffee.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed.
This place is really gorgeous, you guys. Honestly, if you have a chance to come here and book this place for a night or for a day or for a week or whatever, it's so peaceful, it's so quiet, and it's really green everywhere you look. Majestic, honestly. So yeah, this is the little yard in front of our little window. The sun just came up and it's blasting in my eyes, but I just wanted to show you where we stayed.
Everyone falls down sometime.
Baby! Let's see if she comes out. How are you today? Are you packing? Alright, we're packing, so let's go pack.
Feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine.
And this is my wifey. Getting ready. Baby, you ready already? We're leaving? Unfortunately. Alright, let's move on. Alright, let me show you around so you have an idea of how the place looks like. This is where we stayed for this night. We stayed just for one night, so I'll show you around like I said so you have an idea in case you want to come and rent this little room. Yes, so this is how the bed looks like. It's pretty good. It was quite soft, baby. Did you like it?
Yes, I loved it.
She loved it. Here we have this wardrobe. It's quite spacious, it's alright, you can put a lot of things here. On this side you have a little nightstand on one side, another nightstand on the other side, some beautiful looking lamps. Here's the entrance, your light switches are here, and a little really tiny kind of kitchen. I won't even call it a kitchen, it's not really a kitchen. You do have a fridge, which is great. That's kind of it. The sink, the kitchen, the tabletop is kind of old. It's very tired. It needs to retire. On this side, we also have the bathroom. The shower curtain is kind of old and tired as well. The view is what really matters. You pay for the view. So we paid 260 dirhams for this little space for one night. It was good, it wasn't bad. We do have a balcony like I mentioned before and a gorgeous view to the garden with amazing view to the sea.
Let it be known.
This Airbnb was a little old, but it was great for a one-night stay, and now we have to move on and catch the boat because the boat is not gonna wait for us. This particular Airbnb apartment is not too far off from the sea, and on your way to the beach you will see little pathways just like this with amazing olive trees growing all over the place. Alright you guys, we have to stop just for a little bit because I want to show you where they make the olive oil. You know that olive oil you put in your salad? This is where they make it. Check this place out, it's amazing. There's so many beautiful trees here. It's truly incredible how amazing this place is. Wow, what a gorgeous place, man. All right, let's get back in the car. There are also farms where they produce olive oil so you can see how it's done. And now before we hit the waves, let's eat something. We found this beautiful place. It's called La Cantina. Highly recommend this place. And for the first time since we're in Greece, this is day 3, I'm gonna have a Greek breakfast. Greek breakfast, it's ready. Let's go, baby.
For you, this for me. Breakfast is not yours, yes.
Sorry.
Yeah.
We can share.
Greek breakfast, please. Enjoy.
Alright guys, so this is what we have here. We have ordered a beautiful Greek meze right here. It comes with olive oil, amazing Greek salad, some sort of cheese, beautifully delicious bread with lots of olive oil. Remember the olives that I showed you, the trees? Those trees and olive oils came all the way on this beautiful bread right here. And for myself, I ordered myself this amazing egg with lots of beautiful delicious bread, some more cheese, olives, and some interesting dessert, I think. It's my first time trying Greek breakfast here in Greece. Let's see how it goes. Namaste. How was the food, baby? That's right, baby, that's right. La Cantina, guys, La Cantina. I highly recommend this place. That's right, it's located right here on the edge with a beautiful view. Now we're gonna take our car and go to rent a freaking boat, man. Me and my baby girl for 3 hours on the freaking boat in the beautiful sea. Let's go do it and I'll show you everything that you need to know about this boat, how much it costs, the places you can go to, and everything in between. God damn it, I need some water.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood.
Alright, parking is done.
Never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge.
Let's not drown. The water is very cold, ice chilly. It's perfect.
Careful.
Perfect ice. Good morning, sir. How are you today?
Good morning. You're a YouTuber.
I am. I'm trying.
Everyone falls down sometime.
Captain, what is your name?
Billy's.
Billy. Nice to meet you, Captain.
Fine is okay.
Have a great time, guys.
Thank you, Captain. Thank you so much. That's the best captain in the world right there. That's him. The best captain in the world.
Good, like I should.
Let's go.
How was the lesson? Did you get it?
I don't think so. It's not that easy.
I can't believe we're doing this, baby. This is so crazy to me right now.
Wow, look at that water.
And the water is beautiful, the weather is beautiful. The water is a little bit cold, to be very honest, but it's crystal clear and it's amazing. All right, how does it work, baby? How do you rent this boat and how do you pay for it? Tell me the process.
So you just go to these guys, ask them the price, pay the money, and go.
It can get simpler than that. So it's a 3-hour ride for 100 euros on the red boat. You can go around this beautiful area and explore all the islands all by yourself, which is so freaking crazy to me. On your way back, you will pay for the petrol. Depending on how fast you went and how far you've gone, you will pay for petrol on your way back. We were afraid that the sun is gonna blast our skulls out in the open in the sea. I have this little yawning, which is really good. I got some little waves as well. Hang on tight, baby. Woo!
Turtle, I can see the turtle.
There are also islands here where you can see turtles and you can actually go swim with the turtles. Hopefully we find them. It's a journey. I feel like a pirate looking for turtles in beautiful Greece.
Let's go though. This shit be like Friday nights. This shit made me feel alive. Feel like we in paradise. Paradise. Don't know if it's a drink I pour, but I swear I've never loved you more. Make you right here, I come alive. One more hit and we can fly. This shit feel like I'm feeling it.
How you doing, Captain?
Amazing! Let's go!
Let's go, Captain!
Let's rock this day!
About to pour another, just stay.
Oh my god, you guys, look at this beautiful place. We just got here. It looks like a little cove. It's away from the waves and it's really beautiful. We have all these mountains surrounding us and creating this little beautiful, majestic place. Baby, do you like it?
Oh my god, it's amazing!
It's
I cannot
really-
believe it exists.
It does, and it's real. It's right here. Man, let me show you how deep this water goes and how clean it is. I hope I can get it on camera. Check this out.
Paradise. This shit be like Friday nights. This shit made me feel alive.
There's lots of fish here. Now we're trying to feed them some breakfast that we had in the morning. It looks like they love olives, which is good because we have a lot of those. The weather is getting hot, but we are in the shade, which is great. The only one thing that you have to be careful of is not catching rocks under your propellers. Obviously, we're not professional boat riders or anything like that, but it's gorgeous out here, man. All right, this is gonna be a little bit tricky, but I think we want to go right in between that arch. Baby, can you do it? You sure you can do it? All right, let's go. All right, wish us luck. Woohoo! Nice and easy. 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 Nice and easy.
Hey, what happened?
Nice job, baby. The only thing is I fell down. You pushed the pedal too hard. I fell down. I couldn't record anything. Take two. Let's try it again. All right, take number two. Let's go. Nice and easy, baby. Straighten up. I think I'm panicking more than you.
Yes, relax.
Baby, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Slowly, 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 slowly. Yeah, go slow, go slow, go slow. Whew. So much stress. Here we are, slowly. Nice and easy, baby. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. We made it! Yes! That was very stressful right there. That's very, very stressful. But we made it! Nice job, baby!
Thank you, baby.
Whew. I think I was stressing a lot more than she was.
It's true.
Slowly. Nice and easy, baby. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. We made it! All right, so we've been out for about, what, 2.5 hours? Time flies. But what an amazing experience. Let's go to spot number whatever.
I've been sailing for many years, tried to find you and face my fears. Yes, I've been dreaming far away for that sunrise by the bay, but by the sea I'm alright. By the sea I'm alright. By the sea I'm alive.
Well, 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 well. What a gorgeous, gorgeous little spot. My God, there's so many beautiful caves. The water is crystal clear. Just out of this world beautiful. All right, Captain, I think this is it for today.
Yeah, the trip is over. We have like 40 minutes to get back, so let's do it.
And here's a little test for you guys. Let's see if you can guess. How many knots per mile can you ride in this boat? Comment down below. I want to see if you can guess it.
Girls say I'm pretty fly for a white guy.
Woohoo! All right, everybody, we made it back on the shore. We're gonna give the boat back, baby. What a crazy experience that was. Pump it right there. Captain of my life, captain of the ship. Guys, all the links and all the information, phone numbers, emails, Instagram, whatever the hell I'm gonna find, all the information is in the description down below for this boat tour. Get yourself a boat, go explore the beautiful seas around Greece. You are not going to regret it. Baby, is that true?
That's true.
Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah! In the next episode, I'm gonna show you how you can get to this amazing, awesome place. If you enjoyed this episode, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications. And I'll catch you in the next one.